Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best grill tool sets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Home Complete BBQ Tools Set. This budget-friendly grill tool set by Home Complete comes with all the essentials you need for outdoor cooking sessions. The 16-piece set consists of 8 heat-resistant corn holders, 2 skewers, tongs, a spatula, a silicone basting brush, cleaning brush, a spare head for the cleaning brush, and a storage case. The grilling equipment is made of stainless steel which is resistant to rust and corrosion. The spatula features a built-in bottle opener and serrated edges to double up as a Swiss knife, while the basting brush, which is made of silicone for convenient cleaning, allows even coating of food with seasoning and oil for a golden brown crust and personalized flavor. There have been a number of complaints about the stiff tongs which take a lot of effort to get a secure grip. All in all, it is a decent starter kit and the best BBQ grill tool set with a case for that price. We love the multiple cooking tools which shorten the overall grilling time and the fact that they are dishwasher safe. We also like the compact size, convenient storage case, extra cleaning brush head which saves you money on replacement, and the heat-proof handles which protect your hands from burning. However, the handles could be longer so that you won't require grilling gloves. What are its best features? Multiple tools. Storage case. Budget-friendly. Heat-resistant handles. Number 2. Our second best pick is Veken BBQ Grill Accessories. Veken definitely had its customers in mind when putting together this 11-piece barbecue set. All the products are made of high quality, extra thick stainless steel that ensures durability and sturdiness. It won't bend or break easily and will last for years to come. The Oxford cloth storage apron is designed to properly store all the utensils, and, when it's time to put it away, it can be easily hung and stored. This is an extremely budget-friendly set and tools can be put in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. However, the only complaint we have is that the handles are quite short at only 14 inches, meaning, your hands will need to get closer to the flame to properly handle the food, potentially making these a burn risk. Conversely, for just a few dollars more you can upgrade your set to have 16 inches handles. While that's only average length, it does prove you a bit of a safety net. This functional and portable barbecue tools set is suitable for indoor cooking or outdoor grill. Whether you're in the kitchen, the backyard or out camping, it makes a wonderful gift set for men and women and is an ideal choice for Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas and other special occasions that deserve to be celebrated. Pros: includes both necessities and convenience tools. Budget-friendly price, made from high-quality stainless steel, durable and sturdy items. Cons: the original set only has short 14 inches handles. Apron is handy but uncomfortable. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cuisinart Deluxe Grill Set. When it comes to more high-end and extremely high-quality kits, you can't go wrong with Cuisinart's Deluxe Tool Set. This thing is awesome. Cuisinart Grill Kit Review. This sizable 20-piece set from Cuisinart features a spatula, tongs, basting brush, fork, 4 pairs of corn holders, 5 skewers, and a cleaning brush. Each item is made from durable stainless steel. This set's unique feature is the fork that also serves as a thermometer to ensure that the meat won't be overcooked. The collection includes a heavy-duty aluminium case, which allows for convenient, on-the-go transport. Although this has fewer pieces than other kits, you'll find a use for each and every piece. Pros: 20 essential tools. Durable aluminium case. Extra long, safe handles. Cons: although long tongs are safe, they're hard to use if you have very small hands. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Cuisinart 34 pieces BBQ Grill Accessories Tools Set. Cuisinart is the MacDaddy of all grill tool sets. It is the most complete grill set on this list and has you covered from prep to serving. The grill accessories are made from premium food-grade stainless steel, which is BPA-free, durable, rust-proof, unbreakable and dishwasher-safe. Every barbecue grill master should have a set of heat-resistant long-handled grill tools to ensure you can cook your meat from a safe distance without worrying about getting burned. The Timasi grill set contains the essentials and so much more. It offers 2 different types of grill brushes for cleaning, a digital meat thermometer that can prevent you from overcooking meat, 2 grill mats and even a meat injector. When you're finished making your delicious barbecue dinner, you can choose to store your tools in the lightweight, portable, waterproof cloth carrying case or utilize the convenient hanging loops on each long-handled tool. This is a great gift for any occasion, perfect for Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas and more. Because it comes with so many pieces, it's excellent for avid barbecuers, but would also be a thoughtful gift for newbies. Pros: includes both necessities and convenience tools. Most thorough set on this list. Budget-friendly. Made from high-quality stainless steel. Durable and sturdy items. Cons: the handles on the long-handled tools are only of average length, 16 inches. Grill glove is upper. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Leonyo Grill Tools Set. Looking to quickly build up your barbecue tool set or just replace the worn-out utensils you already have? There are few better places to start than this kit from Leonyo. There's nothing fancy about the brand's 6-piece set, but each heavy-duty, stainless steel tool features an extra long-handled to make sure you never feel the heat. In addition to some grilling staples, a fork, spatula, basting brush and tongs. There's also a 3-in-1 cleaning brush to scrape clear your grates before or after you grill. As a bonus, the set comes with a lightweight carrying case. Leonyo stainless steel BBQ accessories set of 6 are made of premium stainless steel. No toxic material falls into your food. Grill tools have long heat-resistant handles to keep a perfect distance between your hands and the heat of the flames. Grilling sets overall are well built and have stood the test of a few rounds on the grill. Durable for family cooking or baking. Beautifully presented in a black gift box, good enough for storage and portability. Please wash these metal spatulas with warm water before first use to wash off any residue left from manufacturing. Please clean the barbecue BBQ accessories kit before and after use and dry them for better maintenance. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.